Welcome everyone to this exciting journey into the world of edible landscape design. Imagine a garden that not only pleases your eye, but also fills your kitchen with fresh produce. That's what edible landscaping is all about. It is a unique way of beautifying your yard with plants that you can also eat. Whether it's fruit-laden trees, culinary herbs, vibrant vegetables, or even edible flowers, these elements can transform your yard into a beautiful and practical space. This innovative approach to gardening allows you to maximize production even in limited space. From fresh salads to aromatic herbs, your garden can be the source of your next meal. Plus, it's a great way to engage with nature in a truly sustainable way. So you must be wondering, what are the best plants for this kind of landscape? Let's dive in. Fruits not only add a vibrant splash of color to your yard, but they are a tasty addition to your homegrown produce. Imagine stepping out into your yard and being greeted by a lush blueberry bush, laden with plump berries ready to be plucked. Blueberries are not just high in antioxidants but also a delight for the eyes with their beautiful bell-shaped flowers and vibrant fall foliage. They make an excellent choice for edible landscaping. Moving on, let's talk about fruit trees. From apple to peach, cherry to plum, fruit trees are a fantastic way to add height and structure to your landscape. They're not only productive, but also visually appealing throughout the year with their blossoms, fruits, and autumn colors. Brambles such as raspberries and blackberries are another great choice. These plants can be trained along fences or trellises, creating a beautiful and delicious boundary. Their vibrant fruits and delicate flowers add a burst of color, while their thorny stems make them a natural deterrent for unwanted visitors. And let's not forget strawberries. These low-growing plants are perfect for edging paths or filling in gaps in your landscape. With their bright red fruits and pretty white flowers, they're as attractive as they are tasty. Plus, they're perennials, so you can look forward to their sweet bounty year after year. Integrating these fruit plants into your edible landscape design isn't just about planting them haphazardly. Consider their growth habits, height, color, and seasonal interest. For instance, fruit trees can provide shade for understory plants, while low-growing berries can serve as ground cover. Mixing and matching these plants based on their characteristics can result in a landscape that's not only productive but also aesthetically pleasing. But fruits are just the start. There are also herbs and vegetables to consider. Imagine stepping into your yard for a pinch of fresh herbs or a handful of salad greens for your dinner. What a delightful image, isn't it? And it's more attainable than you might think. With a thoughtful approach to edible landscaping, your yard can become a veritable garden of gastronomic delights. Let's talk about herbs first. Nothing beats the flavor and aroma of homegrown herbs. They're also a splendid choice for edible landscaping because they are both functional and ornamental. Take for instance chives. They're not only a versatile culinary herb, but they also bloom with beautiful purple flowers that can add a pop of color to your landscape. Similarly, rosemary with its fragrant evergreen foliage and lovely blue flowers is another great option. You can use it in a myriad of dishes and also enjoy its aesthetic appeal. Now let's move on to vegetables. Pole beans, for example, are an excellent choice. They grow vertically, which can add an interesting structural element to your landscape. Plus, they're prolific producers, ensuring you'll have plenty of beans throughout the season. Onions and garlic are also fantastic additions. Although they're typically grown for their bulbs, don't forget their green tops can be used as well. They're perfect for adding a mild oniony flavor to salads, soups, and more. Then there are salad greens like lettuce and spinach. Not only are they easy to grow, but they also come in a variety of colors, textures, and shapes, making them a visually appealing addition to your edible landscape. And let's not forget about artichokes. With their large silver green leaves and stunning purple flowers, they're as beautiful as they are delicious. The benefits of having fresh herbs and vegetables right at your doorstep are countless. You'll have access to the freshest, healthiest food, you'll save money on groceries, and you'll get to enjoy the beauty of a lush, vibrant garden every single day. Now that we have covered fruits, herbs, and vegetables, what about adding a touch of beauty with edible flowers? Edible flowers can provide a feast for the eyes and the palate. Imagine a garden that not only delights the eyes with its vibrant hues, but also tantalizes the taste buds with a variety of unique flavors. Welcome to the world of edible flowers, a fascinating aspect of landscape design that is as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. Edible flowers can be a wonderful addition to your garden, offering a dual-purpose solution that enhances both the beauty and the functionality of your outdoor space. They can be used in salads, as garnishes, or even as main ingredients in dishes. bringing a touch of elegance and a burst of flavor to your culinary creations. There are a myriad of edible flowers to choose from, each with its own distinct taste and aesthetic appeal. Let's dive into a few of them. Nasturtiums, for instance, are a popular choice due to their vibrant colors and peppery flavor. They are easy to grow, and their bright blossoms make a stunning addition to any landscape design. Violets are another wonderful choice. They are not only beautiful, but also have a sweet floral flavor that can be used in desserts or as garnishes. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is another edible flower that you might want to consider. Its petals have a tangy taste and can be used to add a pop of color to salads or soups. Pansies, with their wide range of colors and mild minty flavor, are also a great choice. They can be used in salads, desserts, or as a garnish. These are just a few examples. The world of edible flowers is vast and varied, offering a plethora of options for those looking to add a touch of gastronomic intrigue to their gardens. Now that we know about the plants, how do we choose the best ones for our edible landscape? Choosing the right plants for your edible landscape depends on a few important factors. Just like a chef carefully selects the finest ingredients for a gourmet meal, a gardener too must thoughtfully choose the plants that will thrive in their edible landscape. Let's first consider the climate. Your local climate greatly influences the types of plants that will flourish in your garden. For instance, blueberries love the crisp air of cooler climates, while tomatoes bask in the warm embrace of the sun. Next, let's talk about soil. Understanding your garden soil type is crucial. Some plants, like artichokes, prefer well-drained, sandy soil, while others, like strawberries, thrive in loamy soil. Don't fret if your soil type isn't ideal. You can always amend it with compost or other organic matter to create a hospitable environment for your chosen plants. Now, on to space. Be realistic about the space you have available. Fruit trees, for example, need room to spread their branches, while pole beans can grow upwards, making them a great choice for smaller gardens. Remember, an overcrowded garden can lead to poor plant health and lower yields. Lastly, personal preference. Choose plants that you and your family enjoy eating. After all, the fruits, veggies, and herbs you grow will be the stars of your meals. So why not make sure they're your favorites? Keep in mind that the key to a successful edible landscape is diversity. A mix of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and edible flowers not only ensures a continuous harvest, but also creates a vibrant and dynamic garden that's a delight to behold. With the right plants and planning, you can create a beautiful and productive edible landscape. So, roll up your sleeves and let your garden be a testament to your love for fresh, homegrown food. Edible landscaping is a fantastic way to make the most of your yard. We've explored a wide variety of plants that can transform your outdoor space into a living larder. From fruit-bearing trees and brambles to culinary herbs and vegetables, there's a rich tapestry of choices at your disposal. We've learned that blueberries, strawberries, onions, garlic, chives, salad greens, and artichokes are just a few examples of the edible delights that can grace your landscape. Don't forget about edible flowers either. They offer a unique blend of beauty and utility, adding that special touch to your edible paradise. Choosing the right plants for your edible landscape doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about considering your available space, the plant's needs, and your personal taste. Remember, your yard is not just a space, but a reflection of your lifestyle and your love for nature's bounty. Edible landscaping is more than just a gardening trend. It's a sustainable practice that redefines our relationship with nature, making us active participants in the cycle of growth and harvest. Now, we would love to hear from you. What would you plant in your edible landscape? Share your ideas in the comments below.